Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing this Tarte box right here. If you guys don't know, a while back, Tarte did a special where you can buy 7 full-size items. That's right, 7 full-size items for the price of $65. And I'm here to tell you guys whether that was actually worth it. So you guys want to see what I got inside here. Was this actually worth the money? Well, then definitely keep watching. Okay guys, so 2 weeks ago, Tarte Cosmetics posted that you can customize your own Tarte kit for $65. You can pick 7 full-size items for the price of $65. And I was like, oh shit, well, count me in, because in reality, I don't really have a lot of Tarte products. I don't know why, I just don't. I think the Tarte products that I get usually come in from like BoxyCharm or Ipsy. I don't really have any of my own that I personally paid for besides this right here, the Tarte Maracuja lip oil that's went viral all over TikTok. But besides that, I don't really own that much. So I was so excited to see that they were doing this. And I will say that the selections were limited. You're only able to pick certain items from different categories to build your own kit. And I tried to build a full face of products. I tried, but things were actually selling out rather quickly. And the cool thing they were doing is that they were allowing you to build more than one kit. So you'd obviously build your kit, check out, and you can go back and build more. Or I think you can even build more on top of it, like build. But that's just a lot of money to spend. So I only built one kit. I'm really excited to see what we got in here. So this is how my box came. And on the inside, it says Tarte High Performance Naturals. Cheers to 20 years and counting. Female-founded, cruelty-free formula with good-for-you ingredients and kindness. We believe it's what's on the inside that counts. That's actually very sweet. The kit does include a makeup bag plus 7 items, and holy shit, what the hell happened? I just need to just show you guys this. Do you see how some of the stuff is just like... This is soaking wet. This is soaking wet. Oh no! Everything in my box is destroyed. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm immediately not excited. So the first thing we have is this makeup bag. Something in here completely got destroyed, but here's this makeup bag right here. This came for free. I tried to pick like I tried to pick a bag that was just more like my style, and this is a pretty decent sized bag, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty big, and it kind of looks like it could be like a purse of some sort. I feel like you could fit so much makeup into this bag, so it's actually pretty nice. But wow, okay, so we have this right here. This is a setting spray. And this was not closed. Look at this. You guys see that? There is nothing left in this bottle. It was like the cap was just like this. And there's stains on it. I don't know if you guys can tell. There's stains on it. That's... wow. Okay. So this is ruined. That's really unfortunate. I don't understand how there's not quality checks when that happens. You could tell my box has been soaking wet, and that's maybe why it's so damaged, but this has literally just been sitting like this. Whoever put this in here did not shut the bottle. I don't know what they did. The cap was completely off. You guys can clearly tell because this box is destroyed, soaking wet. So that's a great first impression. Okay, so I picked out a foundation because I don't really ever try Tarte foundations that much. I picked the Face Tape foundation because I heard such wonderful things about this. That's just in the shade 22N Light Neutral, which is my shade. I think it's great that they did allow you to have a variety of choices in terms of foundation. Like, you weren't limited to 7 shades. You actually got to pick out of the whole shade range. So I thought that was actually really cool. So I'm really going to have to try this out because I'm genuinely curious to see how this formula is. I've never tried the Shape Tape. I really did enjoy like their what do you call it? The Shape Tape Concealer. I think the Shape Tape Concealer is phenomenal. So I have to give this foundation a try. Hopefully it's my shade match. Hopefully I really like it. And I know, it's surprising. It's surprising that I've never tried this before, but I've never tried that foundation. Okay, next I picked out this Lights Lashes camera. Can you guys see how soaked my box has gotten? Okay, so let's take a look at the palette. The palette should be fine because it is in a box like this. But again, there's shit on the back of this. Like, what is going on? So you open it up. Oh, okay, that's like, oh, I almost dropped that. When you open up, that is how the palette looks. It's a very beautiful palette. It's a very neutral, everyday wearing palette. You can wear this every single day for work, out with your friends. It's a very beautiful palette. I'll definitely have to try this out. It smells nice, very soft, very romantic. So I'm definitely have to try that out. That's exciting. Next, I picked up the Lights Camera lashes from Tarte. I've not tried this. This is in the shade black. I've not tried this before, but I've heard good things about this. I did receive this before in like PR and Boxy and Ipsy, but I've never actually tried it before. So we'll definitely have to try this out to see how nice it is. Because a lot of you guys have told me this is one of your favorite mascaras. So I want to make sure that like I really give it a try. So that's actually really cool. I'm excited to give that a try. Like I said, you were given a variety to choose from. Next, I picked out a bronzer. So again, the box is pretty soaked. This is the matte waterproof bronzer. This is from Park Ave Princess. Let's take a look at this. Oh, that's really pretty packaging. I like the packaging. What shade is this in? Or does it not have a shade? Maybe it didn't have a shade. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna, that might, oh, I can't tell. I can't tell. Oh, I don't know. I feel like, what do you guys think? Do you think? I don't know. I feel like this might be too deep or too cool tone. I don't think I was given like a choice to pick out a shade. If I was, then I obviously picked out the wrong shade, but we'll definitely have to see if I can make it work for sure. All right, last but not least, we have this busted open box. This is their Maracuja Juicy Lip. Now the one that I have right here, this is a lip plumper, so it's just a little bit different than this. This is in this shade Coconut. And again, this box has just been destroyed. So let's take a look at the product. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. I kind of want to see what that looks like. Ooh, it's a very pretty color. Very, very pretty color. That's nice. Okay, we'll definitely have to play with that, see how well I like it. So that is everything I got for $65. I got a juicy lip product. I got a bronzer. I got an eyeshadow palette. I got a mascara. I got a foundation. I got a makeup bag. And then I got this setting spray right here. So I won't lie, I'm a little disappointed in this box, only because it looked like it was just thrown in here. The products didn't look like they have any sort of quality check to them. You guys can see for yourself that the boxes are completely damaged. They're falling out. Some of the products looked like they had stuff on them. This completely had spilled everywhere. Like it was never closed, like just put in like that. Like how that happens, I don't know. That just shows to me that there is no quality check when they did this. I get that this was like a huge sale for them, so they're probably just throwing products in here. But I feel like at the same time, regardless if like you have a big sale or not, you should still take care of your customers and make sure that they're getting the quality that they deserve. And I definitely think this box is very not taken care of. I understand things happen. Like things happen I understand things happen. Like I don't get mad when things come in broken, because I get things happen with shipping and whatnot. But this is just kind of like, how does that happen? You know what I'm saying? Like, how do you not know that this had wasn't even screwed on and had staining on it? So that's kind of gross. And that's gonna get thrown away. Like the cap wasn't even on. This is just destroyed. So definitely not the best first impression for me in terms of shopping with Tarte Cosmetics. Typically, I would just shop on Sephora's website or buy Tarte in person. I never really go to their website, and now I'm honestly kind of hesitant to go back to a website to buy anything. Here's a coupon code if you guys want to use it for yourself. I don't know how good it is for, but you guys can get 15% off your haul. I don't know if I'll be shopping with Tarte again. I think I'll just keep buying them through Sephora. I think that's just the safest bet for me. So, oh, definitely like a little off-putting. I don't know how to feel about this. I guess I could just laugh. I don't know what else to do. I really want to try this damn setting spray too because it's locks makeup in place for 16 hours. It's transfer proof. It's weightless and microfine. It has cucumber and aloe extracts. It is supposed to make your makeup last for all day, and I was really looking forward to trying out this setting spray, and now I can't. Now I can't. So that's kind of a bust. Damn it. I wish that they would have just taken the makeup bag out of it too. I think they should have let you pick full-size items, and a makeup bag should not have been one of those options. Personally, it should have just been makeup, but I do think for the price of $65, I did get 6 full-size makeup products. I feel like that is definitely well worth it in that aspect because a lot of these products do retail for like $20 to $30 a piece. So you're literally getting your money's worth in terms of the product. The quality, on the other hand, well, I don't really know about that. And then like, obviously I wish they took the makeup bag away, but yeah, definitely not what I expected when I opened this box. So that's kind of funny. Oh, that just makes me laugh. Honestly, I'm sure you guys are gonna ask me to reach out to them. I'm not going to because it's not a big deal for me. I have tons of setting sprays, so it's not a really big deal for me. So just I had to point that out because if this happens to somebody else too, and like that was everything they could afford at the time, that'd be really shitty. So anyway, that is my unboxing of these products. I will definitely be featuring them in a future video when I do like a full face of like first impressions or shop my stashes. You guys will see these products in there because I just genuinely want to give them a try. But yeah, I have to laugh at this because what else can I do? So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this just as much as I did. So if you did, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband Corey, and as always, a huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything, and to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys very next video. Bye. For today's video, we are going to be select a certain amount of items, a own kit for 70s. You weren't limited to like 7 shades. You weren't limited to 7 shades. You're limited. I got an eyelash palette. Gotta throw some of that stuff away.